Hello students, welcome to the Nitya classes. In this video, we are going to solve the practice question set 4 for fundamental operations on whole numbers. Okay, so let's start. The first question is, according to which of the following law is true? Okay, 11 into 12 into 13 equal to 11 into 12 in the bracket multiplied by 13. So which law is true? So that is associative law of multiplication. Option number C is the answer. Okay. So when we solve this 11, 12 into 13 is 156. So answer will be 1716. And here also 11 into 12 is 132 into 13. So that is also 1716. So 1716 equal to 1716. So this is the associative law of multiplication. Okay. So the next question. If the number 9708 star 3 is divisible by 9 and 3, the number which comes at the place of star is. Okay, so divisibility rule of 9 and 3 is sum of the digits. Okay, so 9 plus 7 plus 0 plus 8 plus star 3 is equal to, when we add 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 27. See here, 27 is already divisible by 9 and 3. Yes, na? So, what must be added to here so that the number is divisible by 9 and 3? So, see here, the option number A, because 27 is already divisible by 9 and 3. Yes, na? So, that's why when we add 0, because 0 is not impact on any number. So, answer is 0. If you want to check the second option C, 27 plus, if you add the 1, that is 28. 28 is not divisible by 3 and 9. And 27 plus 3, that is 30. 30 is divisible by 3, but not 9. Okay, the question is that both 9 and 3 we have to check. So similarly, 27 plus 6 is equal to 33. So 33 is divisible by 3, but not by 9. So option number A is the answer. Okay. Third one. If the number 325 star 6 is exactly divisible by 3, the number which comes at the place of star is. So, divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits. So, 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus star plus 6 is equal to, when we add these digits, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So in 16, what number must we have to add so that the whole number is divisible by 3? So check the option. If we add 4, so that is 20. So 20 is not divisible by 3. So option number A is not our answer. If we add 16 plus 2, so that is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3 na? So when you add in star place 2, so we get the 18 answer. Yes na? So 18 is divisible by 3. So option number B is the answer. Okay. The next question. Fourth one. Find the unit digit in the product of 4326 multiplied by 5321. Unit digit. Unit digit means the extreme last digit, that is 6 and here 1. So you have to multiply only unit digit. So 6 into 1 is 6. So answer is 6. So option number A is the answer. Okay. So next one. Fifth, 10 lakh is obtained when a number is subtracted from the sum of 8,93,645 and 6,35,489. Find the number. So we have to find the number. Okay. So see here, 10 lakh is obtained. 10 lakh is obtained when a number is subtracted from this sum. It means you have to add these numbers first. 93,645 plus 63,5,489. Okay. So when we add these numbers, what we get? 8,93,645 plus 6,35,489 is 15,29,134. Okay, when we add, we get 15,29,134. When we subtract 10 lakh from this, okay, it means we get this number. 10 lakh is obtained when a number is subtracted from. It means we don't know that number. Okay, sum of this number is this. And when we subtract it from the something number, we get this. Okay. So we have when we have to find the x value. So what we have to do is simply we have to subtract it. When we subtract it, we get the answer. So answer will be 4, 3, 1, 9, 2 and 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 5,29,134. So option number D is the answer. Okay, next one. Find out the units digit in the product of 3,207 into 12 into 17 into 13. Unit digit in the product. So unit digit is 7, 2, 7, 3. So you have to multiply 7 into 2 into 7 into 3. So 7 2s are 14. So here unit digit is 7, 4. So 4 into 7 again. 4 sevens are 28. So again you have to focus on the only unit digits. So 8 threes are 24. So unit digit is 4. So our final answer will be 4. Option number C. 4 is the answer. Okay. Next. Seventh one. The multiple of 7 between 14 and 77 is. The multiple of 7. It means we have to write the table of 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70 and 11 are 77. Okay. So these are the multiples of 7. The question is that between 14 and 17. So 14 and 17. Between 14 and 17. 77. So how many numbers are there? How many multiples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 multiples of 7 between 14 and 77. So option number C is the answer. Okay, next one. What value must be given to star so that the number 6912 star is divisible by 25? So we already know that the number divisible by 25 are only the number ends with 25, 50, 75, 100, so on. Okay, it means if the unit digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 25. Okay, so here required number is 5. When we add in star place 5, so the whole number is divisible by 25. Okay, the next question. Ninth one. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the 8's divisibility rule is if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So option number D is the answer. Last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number is also divisible by 8. Next. What is the value of 6 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplied by 7 plus 4 multiplied by 7? So see here, 7 is common in all the factors. So you have to do is take a 7 as a common and you have to add the other factor 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. So when we add, what you get? 7 in the bracket, that is when you add you get 20. So here is nothing symbol, it means you have to multiply. Okay, so 7 to 20s are 140. 140 is the answer. Option number C. Okay. Next question. 11. Which of the following number is divisible by 3? So 3's divisibility rule is we have to sum up the digits. So we have to add these digits 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 1. When we add, we get 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. Okay, let's check second one. 3 plus 9 plus 8. So when we add, it will be also 22. So this is also not divisible by 3. And option number C, check 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4. So that is 17. So 17 is also not divisible by 3. So last option 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 21. So 21 is divisible by 3 na. So option number D is the answer. Next one. Which of the following number is divisible by 4? So 4's divisibility rule is we have to check out the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. So check 62, 4 ones are 4, 2 remainder, 4 5s are 20. It means here 2 is the remainder. So this is not divisible by 4. Okay. And 4, 26. 4 5s are 4 6 are 24. And remainder is 2 here. This is also not divisible by 4. Check 42. So 4 ones are 4. And this is also not divisible by 4. Okay, check 96. So 4 2s are 8. 1 remainder. And 6. And 4 4s are 16. It means this is divisible by 4. So 4 24s are 96. So option number D is the answer. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. Okay. Next. 13. Which of the following not divisible by 9? Not divisible by 9. So, divisibility rule of 9 is you have to sum up these digits. So, 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. So, when we add these digits, we get 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. Okay. So we have to find the which is not divisible. So 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 39. So 39 is not divisible by 9. So this is our answer. Option number B is the answer. Okay. When we add these digits, you get 36. So 36 is also divisible 9, no? And option number D, you can also check. When you add 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, that is 27. So these three are divisible by 9, but it is not divisible 39. So option number B is the answer. 14. What is the product of 23,208 multiplied by 254 into 0 into 26? So what is the product? So 0, because option number B 0, because here is 0. No, when we multiply by any number with 0, the result will be the 0. Yes, na? So option number B is the answer. 15. 500 plus 80 divided by 2 minus 10 into 4 is equal to. So we have to solve the first division. The rule is first you have to division, after that multiplication, and then plus and then minus. Okay, that is a Bodmer's rule. See here. So 80 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 40s are 80. So 500 plus 40 minus, you have to do this one. So 10 into 4 is 40. So first, after that you have to add. Okay, 500 plus 40 is 540 minus 40. So answer is 500. So option number C is the answer. Next one. 20 into 5 plus 14 divided by 2. So again you have to do the first division. So 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14 and then 20 into 5. Okay, see here 20 into 5 plus that is 7. So 20 into 5 is 100 plus 7 that is 107. So option number B is the answer. Okay, next one. 17. When a number is successively divided by 3, 4, 7, the remainder obtained are 2, 3 and 5 respectively. What will be the remainder when 84 divides the same number? Okay, see here. The question is that successively divided. Successively divided means nothing but when if a quotient of the dividend is taken and this is used as the dividend in the next division. Okay, so that is the successive division means. It means, for example, here 3 is the divisor. When we divide the number by 3, the quotient, the remainder is 2. The question is that when we divide the number by 3, the remainder is 2. It means they are not given the dividend as well as quotient. Okay. Again, 4. The divisor is 4. They are given. And the here quotient, what dividend, what we have to take? This one. Okay. This quotient, first division's quotient will be the second quotient's dividend. Okay. That is quotient. Okay. So this is you can take a quotient 1 and quotient 2 and the remainder is 3 here. Similarly, see when we divide the same number by 7, so what we have to take? This quotient will be the next second division's dividend. Okay, so that is called the successive division. Okay, so quotient 3 divided by remainder is 5. So this is the meaning of this question. It means when we divide by 3, okay, one number, you get the remainder as 2. And when the same number is divided by 4, your remainder is 3. And the same number again 7 divide, that is a divisor, and remainder is 5. It means when you take the first division's quotient, second dividend, okay, as a dividend, and similarly the second quotient will be as a dividend, new dividend. This is called the successively divided. Okay, this is the meaning of the question. So we have to find the first dividend. So you know the formula. So that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So they are given the divisor. So divisor is that here 3, 4, 7. You have to get the remainder like a 2, 3, 5. So here what is the divisor? So divisor is 7. You can take a quotient as 1. Okay, plus remainder. So what do you get? 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. You get the 12. Okay, it means you get the this last quotient's, last division's dividend. Okay, that is the dividend 12. Again, you have to do is, see here, in simple way, see here, you have to do is like this, like a zigzag. Straight means plus, cross means multiple. This is plus and multiple, and this is plus. So you get the 7 into 5. Okay, 7 plus 5 is, that is 12, and 12 plus 12 into 4 you have to do. It means when you get the 7 plus 5, that is 12, no? So 12 into 4 you have to do. 12 fours are 48. Okay, so 48 plus 3 because here that is a straight line, no? So 48 plus 3 is that is 51. So 51 into 3. See here the cross line, no? So that is 51 into 3, that is 153. So plus 2, 155. So we get the dividend. Okay. It is the easiest method you can follow. You have to make a just zigzag, and you have, if the straight line is there, you have to plus, and then this cross means multiply. Again straight means plus and cross means multiply and plus. Okay, like this you can solve this and you get the dividend as a 155. Okay, we get the dividend. So the question is that what will be the remainder when 84 divides the same number? Same number means this 155. You have to divide it by the 84. So 84 ones are 84. So 155 minus 84 is 5 minus 4 is 1, 15 minus 8 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0. So remainder is 71. So this is the answer. Option number A. 71 is the answer. Okay. Next one. On dividing 55,055 by 11, the quotient obtained is. So simply you have to divide it. So 11 5s are 55, 0, 0, and you have to bring down 0. And 0 is smaller than 11, so you have to bring down 5. Again 0 5 is smaller than 5, so again you have to put the 0 here and then 5. So 11 5s are 55. So 0 0. So 5005 is the question. Option number B is the answer. Okay. Next question. 19. Unit digit of product of first 10 prime numbers is. First 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. These are the first 10 prime numbers. So product means you have to multiply. Okay. So see here, you can see the numbers like here. This is a one easiest method is you can see the 5 here. Okay. If you can see the 5 here with any of the even number, see there is a 2 and 2 is there. Okay, so 2 is there na, so that is a even number. So when we multiply 5 into 2, that is 10. So unit digit, you have to focus only unit digit, no, because unit digit of product they are telling. Okay, so 0, you already know that when we multiply any number with 0, you get the result 0. Yes, na? When we multiply any number by 0, you get the result as a 0. So see here, you don't need to do all digits multiplication. Okay, you can only using this trick you can solve the question easily. It means if you see the odd number, that is 5, if you multiply any number with 5 even number, you get the unit digit as 0. Okay, 5 multiply by any even number. Okay, any even number, when we multiply any even number with 5, you get the unit digit as 0. So the whole answer will be the 0, because when we multiply any number by 0, the result will be the 0. Okay, so option number D is the answer. Next question 20. Find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 75. So the greatest number of 4 digits is 9999. So exactly divisible by 75. So you have to divide. 75 ones are 75. 99 minus 75 is 24. and you have to bring down 9 and 20, 75 threes are 225. So you have to subtract 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 0. You have to bring down 9. So 75 threes are 225. So again remainder is 4, 2 and 0. So what you get the remainder 24. So 9999 minus 24. You have to subtract the remainder by dividend. Okay, 9999 minus 24 is 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7 and 9. So 9975 is exactly divisible by 75. So this is the 4-digit greatest number which divides exactly 75. Okay, 9975. Option number A is the answer. Okay, this is the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 75. Okay, next. What least number should be added to the least number of 4-digit? Least number and smallest number are same, okay? So that the resulting number is exactly divided by 89. So first of all, least number of 4-digit is 1000. So you have to divide it by the 89. So 89, ones are 89. 100 minus 89 is 10 minus 1 is 9 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have to bring down 0. So 89, ones are 89. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 1 minus 9 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So 21 is the remainder here. So here you have to do is when this type of questions arrived like a least number of 4-digit. Least number of 4-digit. It means what you have to do is divisor minus remainder. Divisor is 89 minus remainder. So what you get? 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 8 minus 2 is 6. So 68. Okay. So 68 is the answer. Option number A. Okay. What least number? Least number is 68. When you added to this 1000, so this number will be exactly divisible by 89. So that is option number A, 68. Okay. 22. Find the smallest 4 digits number exactly divisible by 55. So smallest 4 digit number is 1000 exactly divisible by 55. So 55 ones are 55. 100 minus 55 is 45 and you have to bring down 0 and 55 8s are 440 and 0 1 0. The remainder is 10. So here also you have to do is divisor minus remainder. Divisor is 55 minus remainder is 10. So what we get? 45. So here the question is that if the number they are given the least number only, then the answer will be 45. But they are asking the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, like as a dividend they are asking. Okay, smallest 4-digit number you have to find, which is exactly divisible by 55. So you have to do is 1000 plus 45. So that is 1045. So this is the exactly divisible by 55. Okay, so answer will be option number B. Why we not the subtract it? See here, when we subtract, you get 955. So 955 is not a 4-digit number. No, so this is a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. So that we have to add this. Okay, what you get the answer? Divisor minus remainder 45. So 45 you have to add in a dividend. like a 4-digit number. So you get the 4-digit number 1045. Okay, so option number B is the answer. Next one. 23. Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi, while Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku. If the total marks obtained by all three is 76, find the marks obtained by Raman. See here, there are 3 peoples are there. Yes, na? Kaku and Bakshi and Raman. So see here, what they are given. Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi. Okay, Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi. So Bakshi, while Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku, it means they are not given the Bakshi's marks. Okay, understand the question. Kaku got 7 marks less than Bakshi. Okay, less than Bakshi. And while Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku. Okay, so they are not given the Bakshi. So you can take a Bakshi's marks as X. Let the Bakshi's marks be X. Okay, so Kaku's marks is less than 7. 7 marks less than Bakshi. So X minus 7. Yes, na? And Raman's marks. Raman got 3 marks more than Kaku. More than Kaku. So here Kaku's marks is X minus 7. Okay, that is a Kaku's marks. So 3 marks more than Kaku. Raman got 3 marks more than, so plus 3. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, next, if the total marks obtained by all 3 is 76, 3 are get 76, total marks is 76, find the marks obtained by Raman. So we have to find the Raman's marks. Okay, so first of all we have to find the Bakshi's marks, then only we can find the Raman's marks, no? So see here, you have to simply add these x plus x minus 7 plus x minus 7 plus 3 equal to total gets 76. So you have to add 3x. Okay, and minus this minus plus, but you have to take the minus sign because the largest sign is minus, number sign is minus. So minus is plus. So 7 plus 7 is 14 and plus 3 equal to 76, and 3x, and here minus plus minus, because the largest number sign is minus, so you have to take a minus here, and 14 minus 3 is 11 equal to 76. So see here, 3x equal to 76 plus 11, because when we transfer minus sign to here right side, it becomes plus sign. Okay, so 3x equal to 76 plus 11, that is 87. So you have to x equal to 87 divided by 3, because 3 is in the multiplication. So when we transfer to the right side, it becomes division. Okay, now you have to divide. 3 ones are 3 twos are 9. Sorry, 3 twos are 6. 2 remainder, 3 nines are 27. So 29 marks. X equal to 29. Okay, 29 marks. Whose marks is there? X means Bakshi. Bakshi's marks 29. So here we have to find the Raman's marks. So what is the Raman's marks? Raman's mark equal to x minus 7 plus 3. So you have to just put the values in x. X means that is Bakshi 29 and 7 plus 3. 29 minus 7 is 22 and plus 3, that is 25. So Raman's marks is 25. Answer will be option number B, 25. Okay. So the next question. 24. Rajesh's weight is 5 kg less than Ram's weight. and Neha's weight is 3 kg more than Ram's weight. If the weight of 3 is 103 kg, then the weight of Ram is, okay. See here, Rajesh weight is 5 kg less than Ram's weight, okay. So there are three people's, no, Rajesh weight, and then Ram, and then Neha. So Rajesh weight is 5 kg less than Ram's weight, and Neha's weight is 3 kg more than Ram's weight. It means here also they are not given the Ram's weight. So Ram's weight you can take a x. Okay, let the Ram's weight will be x, and Rajesh weight will be the x minus 5, because 5 kg less than Ram, no. So 5 kg less than Ram. So Neha's weight is 3 kg more than Ram. More than Ram, it means x plus 3. Ram's weight is x and plus 3 more than 3 kg, na. So x plus 3. So the weight of 3 is 103 kg. Total is 103 kg. So you have to, according to the question, x plus x minus 5 plus x plus 3 equal to 103. So 3x plus minus 5 minus 3 is 2. Here you have to take the larger number sign, that is minus. So you have to take here minus and 103, and 3x equal to 103 plus 2, because this is the minus sign. When we transfer right side, that becomes plus. Okay, so 3x equal to 105. So x equal to 105 divided by 3. This is in the multiplication, so that becomes division. So when we divide, you get the x's marks. It means Ram's marks. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. 1 remain, 3 fives are 15. So 35. X means Ram, no? So here their question is then the weight of Rams. So you have to find the Ram's weight. Ram's weight equal to 35 kg. So option number D is the answer. 35 kg. Okay. So the next question, 25. Which of the following is not equal to 25? Not equal to 25. Okay. So solve. 50 minus, you have to first solve the bracket. So 4 ones are 4, 20 okay. Sorry, 4 2s are 4 5s are 20. So 4 25s are 100. So 50 minus 25 is equal to, when you subtract, you get 25. Okay. So this is equal to the 25. So this is not our answer. So see here next. 20 plus, you have to solve the bracket. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. So when we add 20 plus 5, 25. So this is also not our answer. See here 10 plus, you have to first solve the bracket. 5 2s are 10 and plus, and this bracket 10 minus 5 is 5. So 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 5 is 25. So these are all equal to 25, no? So the question is that which of the following is not equal to 25? So see the last option also, 24 plus 2 ones are 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. So see here, these are all 25. But this is a 26, no? It is not equal to 25. Okay, 26 is not equal to 25. So option number D is the answer. Okay. So that's it. Bye.